beautiful people. Today we're pruning my giant white mulberry tree. All the dead, damaged, and diseased branches gotta go. Do you know mulberries can grow 60 feet tall, 40 feet wide? White mulberry is a prolific fruiter. It'll crop every single year for you, and the berries start small and white and turn black as they ripen. You can't eat them though until they're fully ripe because they have some toxins in them. The white mulberry tree originated in Asia and came over during the colonial period. This mulberry tree is the first tree to fruit on the farm. Like I said, they have small red to black berries with some sweet and tartness to them. You see how big this tree is? I obviously didn't plant this tree. I found it on the edge of my property, and if I had to guess, it's close to 30 years old. I wouldn't even recommend planting a white mulberry tree. If you want to plant a mulberry, get the ever-bearing dwarf variety. In about 8 weeks, I'm going to shoot another video of me taste testing the berries. Now that I'm down out of the tree, I wanted to show you my other favorite tool for pruning trees, and it's a Fisker 2-in-1 pole clip and saw head. This is the best pole clip that I've ever owned. It has something to do with the way they manufactured the head and the chain being on the inside. Also, the snapping mechanism. It allows you to make way more cuts per minute than you would normally with a standard pole clip with the rope on the outside. So it might be hard to see, but there's a mess in here. And if you're new to pruning, all you gotta remember is the 3 Ds. Dead, damaged, and diseased. And that works great when your fruit trees are younger and you don't have as many branches. But when they get this big and this out of control, we want to add 2 more things to the 3 Ds. And that would be cluttered and crossing. So I like to think of it as the 3 Ds and the 2 Cs. So right here, you got this branch, it's cluttered and crossing the other branch. So we want to get this one out of here. Then you have these dead ones. We want to get these dead ones off of here. And we want to get these suckers that are crossing and headed up. And we want to clean this tree up as much as we can. All right, so here we got a damaged branch hanging down and a cluttered branch right next to another one. We don't want either of these. Alright, so if you find a white mulberry tree in the woods, it doesn't mean that it's always going to have fruit. I had to look this up because there's another white mulberry back there and it never gets any fruit. So the internet says some white mulberry trees have flowers only belonging to one sex, while others have both single sex and perfect flowers. Only plants with female flowers can produce fruit. So that big mulberry back there must be a male. Like I said earlier, don't plant a white mulberry because they get way too big and out of control. What you do want to plant is an ever-bearing mulberry right here. It stays much smaller and produces bigger fruits. Or a Giraldi dwarf mulberry, which stays even smaller. So I'm looking forward to coming back with you guys in the late spring and picking mulberries from this tree and doing a little taste test video. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me, and I'll see you in the next video.